On today's menu, the ultimate flavor-packed recipe you have to try, a Lebanese-inspired plate.
Lei Ho Ma, everyone. I'm Will Young. This is a meal that you can make for your family and friends, and I guarantee they will be impressed.
Preheat your oven to 375. Rinse your canned chickpeas in cold water. Mixing bowl. Dry your chickpeas with a paper towel. Dried oregano, salt, pepper, olive oil, toss, baking tray, chickpeas, spread, bake in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes.
Next up, tabbouleh.
Cracked wheat. The ratio for cracked wheat is 1 to 1.5 of water. Stir and let it sit for 20 to 25 minutes for it to absorb. Onion. Cucumber, flat leaf parsley,
Never throw away the stalks. Keeps them from making vegetable broth.
chop fine. Tomato, lemon juice, salt, pepper, olive oil, cracked wheat. Mix. Tabbouleh ready.
We're not finished yet. Next, we have rice. Now, if you have a rice cooker, you could have been cooking it this entire time, but if you don't, you can cook it on the stovetop.
Wash and drain your rice 2 to 3 times or until the water becomes clear. Brown rice ratio is 1 to 1.5 of water. Bring the rice to a boil without the lid. When the rice comes to a boil, give it a stir with the lid on and turn it down to low. Cook the rice for 10 minutes.
While your rice is cooking, time to make the hummus.
Rinse your canned chickpeas in cold water. Blender, chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, salt and pepper, olive oil, water. Turn the heat off and let the rice sit with the lid on for another 10 minutes. Blend.
You know, it's no wonder that hummus is everyone's favorite. It's just incredible.
When the chickpeas are ready, set aside.
Stay with me, we're almost done.
Mixing bowl, zaatar. Zaatar is a mix of spices, including thyme, sumac, salt, and white sesame seeds. Olive oil. Stir to make a paste. Spread on pita bread. Baking tray. Broil on low for 1 minute.
Make sure you don't forget about the bread. Literally just broil it on low for 1 minute because it will burn. Does that not look incredible or what? Are you still with me? Last thing, garlic cashew sauce.
Wash out the blender to use for the sauce. Quarter cup cashews. Quarter cup water. Garlic. Season with salt and pepper. Olive oil. Blend on high speed.
Just look at that creamy garlic sauce. If you made it this far, pat yourself on the back. Now we get to plate. Start with your amazing tabbouleh. Now these are incredible grape leaves I made in the previous episode. These are pickled cucumbers and pickled turnips.
Roasted chickpeas.
Your delicious rice.
Hummus.
If you really want to take it to the next level,
Swirl with a spoon. Smoked paprika. Drizzle with olive oil.
and don't forget your amazing zaatar.
Drizzle over the garlic cashew sauce to your heart's content. The most amazing Lebanese-inspired plate ready.
My God, if you are looking for a meal with tons of flavor, look no further. And yes, you can make this with absolute confidence. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode. Bloody hell.